Ever had to look for something that you needed right away for hours? Most of us have. In the just-in-time system, making abnormalities visible and placing answers where the questions are may be the most crucial thing to pay attention to. One way the just-in-time system does this is by using different visual management techniques. For example, when organizations use Kanban cards when inventory, information, or tasks are produced, this makes the process visual. Oftentimes, companies may also place signs in an area to remind an employee of safety precautions. And, as we've learned before, standard operating procedures are often placed at a point of use to help workers visually see what needs to be done. These forms of visual management help people find answers where they may have questions. And even more importantly, they make abnormalities visible when they occur. One of the most powerful aspects of visual management is that the techniques used take information and present the information in such a way that everyone can understand it, interpret it, and eventually use it. A common form of visual management that is seen in the United States is the red, yellow, and green light. This standard quickly tells drivers they need to stop, slow down, or go. Similarly, many manufacturing plants use a system known as the Ondon System. The Ondon System uses lights to quickly notify operators of an issue if one occurs. They use a similar color system to traffic lights, and many Ondons now use other sensory alerts like sound to help people find issues sooner. Another type of Ondon that is used is overhead boards. These boards show which machines are running smoothly and which ones may have abnormal conditions that need to be corrected. Other visual techniques that you may see used in manufacturing plants are shadow boards, which help people identify placement of equipment, lines, which help things get organized, labels to properly identify where items are placed, signboards to give appropriate instructions, and many others. The 5S system is also a very powerful visual system that uses many different methods to identify abnormalities, eliminate the different forms of muda, and keep a workplace safe. One last visual management technique that is frequently used is color coding. For example, when you look at the RPMs on your car, you can see that a car that is redlining is in a dangerous place. Likewise, colors can help us properly match items and avoid frustrating errors. And that's it. A very basic introduction to visual management in the just-in-time system. You can summarize visual management by saying visual management is a way to visually communicate and manage various standards, metrics, improvements, safety requirements, and expectations. All forms of visual management should be clearly displayed and understood with no explanation other than visual analysis by everyone. Now, before we go, let's brainstorm and answer this question in the comments section, upcoming assignment section, or on a piece of paper. What ways can you think of to use visual management techniques to reduce waste in your workplace? We look forward to hearing from you, and we'll see you in the next video.